How to book flight on Hopper app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can book flight on Hopper application. Now the process is quite simple and easy. What you want to do is you want to open up your Hopper application and you want to make sure you are signed in or logged into your account as well. Now first you want to make sure it's logged in. Now you can log in by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and you want to make sure you're logged in. Now in my case I'm already signed in. What you want to do is you want to simply tap on flights option at the home screen and home page, and then you want to simply tap on here. You can see where from. You want to choose your destination and you want to choose your start point and your destination, and then once you choose it, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on details and you can edit your details. You want to enter in your departure date and you can enter in your departure going date and returning date as well and select these dates. And once you do so, you want to simply tap on search option, and if the flight is available it should show up here. Now it's reaching the latest prices as you can see, and once it gets the information you want to make sure you wait. And here you can see you'll be able to see the flight and you will see the information here as well. Now you want to simply tap on view flights option. Once you tap on view flights you'll be able to view the flight here. Now once you tap on view flight you want to tap on the particular flight that is okay for you and then simply tap on the price that it shows here, and you want to select this outbound here. Tap on select this outbound, and there you want to choose your class here, your economy, premium economy, and then once you select it you want to simply tap on the price again and you want to select this return, and once you tap on select this return here you can continue to your payment. So this way you can book flight on Hopper application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.